Hello, hello, Handy. Good evening.
Hello, Erina. Good evening. How are you, Erin?
Me, I'm fine, thank you. And
I'm,
you?
uh, I'm fine too.
Oh, Handy, do you ever hear about art?
I ever hear about art and then a lot some from art. And how about you?
Yeah, that's right. A lot from art.
What do you think about art, Erina?
I think about art so much meaning and then cannot describe with the the word. And you?
I agree with your opinion, Erina.
By the way, in the past there were many artists who were dissatisfied with the award given to academy institution, and they held their own painting exhibition with their will to make their work widely known. And do you agree with their move?
I agree with their step because if you want a work to be widely known, you have to do something like that. How about you?
I think the same like you, Handy.
Talking about art, do you like to see painting exhibition?
I don't like it to see painting exhibition.
Why do you like to see painting exhibition?
I don't know why. Because maybe not yet to see. No, not yet. Try ever to see painting exhibition.
Oh, I see. What do you like about art?
Mm, of course, I like it. How about you?
Yes, I'm really like it.
If we talk about art, there are many types of art, and with the technological advance, do you think art also has a good many impact on this technology advancement?
Yes, I think this technological advancement has a lot of good impact. One example is that we can at art we can at any time promote our work through social media. How about you, Erina?
Of course, that's right.
If social media can help promote our work, what media do you think can be applied?
I think, for example, Instagram. How about you?
No, no online Instagram, Erin, but a lot of media can be applied. For example, Facebook, Twitter, and the other.
Oh, I see. But I use it often.
That's okay, but it's really nice, Erin. And sorry I can talk too much, Erin, because I have class.
Oh, it's okay.
See you, Erin. Have a nice day.
Oh, thank you.